To charge the smartwatch, just pull the right side cable out, then we will get one USB connector like this. Then just you connect this one to our normal USB adapters. I'm going to connect it to our USB adapter. Powering on, so it will start now. After connecting, we can see a green lights blinking over here. Now it's on, it's charging. So it will take time to charge. Once it will get charged, you can start using it. So I kept for charging for around some 10 minutes. We'll see. Yeah, it's got charged around some 70%, and we can if you hold for a few seconds, it will keep on changing the. Here we can see step counts, and this is heart rate, distance for running, bike. If you long press it, okay, it will show step counts. Still have not yet started. Again, I will come back after using it for a month. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.